Tussar silk, as you know, is a wild silk which has got a little bit of texture and body to the fabric itself. Therefore, Tussar silk lends itself to as a platform for some lovely painting work. Lovely flora here. It's almost like out of a sci-fi movie. Continuation of the pallu itself is a beautiful, again, a large floral vine here because there is some Devangari script here. This must be some ancient script or a mantra which is written here. Beautiful hand painting and block printing. It's wonderful. Lovely black painting of a very, very abstract motif. It's fabulous. Vertical color blocks in the pallu with a beautiful fan kind of motif right in the center. Beautiful square blocks with multiple motifs. Very, very pretty blouse. It's a lovely rust orange color. It's got these squiggly stripes, vertical stripes, but not in a straight line, but very organically curvy lines from top to bottom. The bottom of the saree has got a lovely cyan blue border, and then you have a lovely floral vine running. Then you have these beautiful, this looks like corncob kind of motifs or really a bouquet of flowers. Fabulous. Such a splendid deer. Beautiful dark pink polka dots after the pallu. Just starts off lovely. It's a string of flowers and leaves all along. It's a beautiful, very delicate and very, very stunning combination. It's a lovely saree. As you can see, beautiful two ducks in a pond, and the way it's painted, as you can see the water shimmering. It is lovely stripes, as you can see, beautiful stripes. Handloom sarees are special because they are made by artisans. They're made over a long period of time. They use their own traditional craftsmanship. The kind of fabrics they use, the kind of designs they use is very, very traditional. But in the handloom genre, there is a category of sarees which is very, very different. It need not necessarily be traditional. It's very modern, but yet uses very, very lovely handmade techniques. So today, we're going to be looking at one such category at Avishya, which is hand-painted Tussar silk sarees. Hello, Avishya fans and handloom lovers. Today, we're going to be looking at a very special category, which is hand-painted Tussar silk sarees. Tussar silk, as you know, is a wild silk which has got a little bit of texture and body to the fabric itself. It's not as smooth and soft as mulberry silk, but it's got a very special texture, and therefore Tussar silk lends itself to as a platform for some lovely painting work. So we work with weavers in Bengal, and in Bengal we work with a particular artisan who's a beautiful painter, and she actually does beautiful murals, paintings, designs which are very modern, abstract, geometric, some traditional patterns, some still life patterns, a whole variety of paintings she does, and she uses Tussar silk as a lovely platform because Tussar, the fabric, lends itself very nicely for absorption of paint, and it stands very beautifully. Her work is outstanding, and we have been buying from her for a long time, and today we want to showcase this particular collection of hand-painted Tussar silk saree. We'll start off with this saree, this beautiful saree, which is base color is lovely yellow, cheese yellow, and on which I just open out the saree for you. Amazing work. In fact, as you can see, as the saree unfolds, the painting unfolds, this is the pallu. The pallu has got a wonderful, huge bit of flora, lovely flora here. It's almost like out of a sci-fi movie. This huge plant in different colors, red, grey, brown, and overall outside there's that black and dark grey platform frame around it, and the edges of the pallu on both sides, the edges and the end of the pallu, is a lovely, beautiful spray painted finish. Lovely spray painted finish. So all of this is painting, of course. So the way the finishing has been done is really, really nice. And see, come closer, you'll be able to see how the whole thing is finished. It's beautiful. It's lovely the way it's painted. It's awesome. And moving on to the body itself, body is a lovely jet black, and as you can see, starting off with continuation of the pallu itself is a beautiful, again, a large floral vine here, beautiful black and white finish, black background, white flowers and leaves, and there are some geometric, there's a 3-4 beautiful vertical stripes in orange, in blue, and in red, again alternating, and in gold. So multiple colors, lovely pattern all along the border. You should see, really beautiful, stunning saree. As you move along, the story unfolds. Saree becomes different from the floral of the background yellow of the pallu to the black and white floral. Then it goes on to pure vertical geometric stripes, and is a beautifully done saree. And of course, let's see what the blouse looks like. You see the blouse is a lovely, beautiful, fiery orange blouse, which goes fantastically, beautifully along with the body of the saree. So overall, this is how the blouse will contrast with the saree. It's fabulous. So as you can see, it's beautiful. The most special part about this saree is that, of course, it's a lovely tussar silk on which all of this is beautiful. It's a combination of hand painting and block printing. So it's a combination hand block printing and painting saree, and the amount of workmanship and amount of thought which has gone, time which has gone into doing this is really, really amazing. So it's fabulous, and overall it's got a fabulously grand look. Next we'll move on to this beautiful saree. It seems to have multiple stripes. Just open it out for you, and as with this particular collection, the story unfolds as you open the saree. Different parts of the saree have different interpretations. Yes, this is the pallu. I'll just open it out this way. I think it should be seen this way because there is some Devangari script here. This must be some ancient script or a mantra which is written here. It's fabulously dyed and beautifully painted. Lovely, lovely work. Combination again of beautiful hand painting and block printing. It's wonderful. As you go along, after the pallu, you have lovely, beautiful collection of geometric blocks and stripes of different colors. It's fabulous. And then again, as we move along inside the saree, color changes dramatically. It moves to a complete beautiful tussar color or off-white color, and which has got a beautiful, lovely black painting of a very, very abstract motif. It's fabulous. And then again, as you move along, it remains the same color with more motifs coming along. And one side has got, I think this must be the bottom. The border has got beautiful, lovely work again. The bottom of the saree has got beautiful painting and some more scripts which are coming up in the bottom of the saree, and going on to right to the very end and waves the entire saree. As it unfolds, the painting continues. The beautiful tussar color coming right up to the edge here. This is the blouse of the saree. Beautiful, lovely, lovely blue, cyan blue, beautiful cyan blue blouse. And the blouse also has got a lovely, beautiful motif, very, very abstract motif in black, which can be used for the back of the blouse. It will come out looking very pretty. So you can imagine how the saree will look. That's the body of the saree. Just to recap, body of the saree in beige color or tussar color with lovely borders, hand painted borders with scripts. This is the blouse. This is the pallu. Pallu, as you know, got a fabulous, beautiful painting with a blue and multicolor background with some script. And overall, this is how the saree will look. It's fabulous. The pallu, the blouse, and the saree. Fabulous combination. Really creative saree. Next, we'll come on to this saree. It's beautiful again. Lovely color combination. Beautiful grayish blue. I'll just open it out. Again, this hand painted saree, and the artisan is a very creative person. So we'll have to open this out to figure out which side is the pallu, which side is the blouse, and what is the overall pattern of the saree. Let me open it out. Yes, I think this is the pallu of the saree. Beautiful, very nice, very structured saree. Very, very nice. Lovely color blocks, vertical color blocks in the pallu with a beautiful fan kind of motif right in the center. Beautiful fan motif here. This is the tussar, golden tussar color, some stripes here, green, lovely maroon brown, beautiful metallic blue, lovely color combination. Then going on to the body of the saree, beautiful square blocks with multiple motifs. This lovely, beautiful, I would say a metallic blue color, probably cobalt blue, beautiful square blocks. And this has got some of these blocks have got the spray painted finish. This fan motif which is there in the pallu repeats itself here. There is a leaf motif here, and then there are squares and rectangles, and both edges have got a lovely, beautiful green, leaf green, both on top and bottom borders. And the edging itself, above the green, you have this beautiful chocolate brown, reddish chocolate brown edge. The saree. Let's see what it looks like as we move along. I'll flip it around. Yes, the same pattern continues. A green edging, green border with the chocolate brown edge, and square and rectangular blocks, abstract patterns. In between, there's a lovely long rectangular block orange, which also adds to the drama. And we'll move on the edge of the saree, right at the very edge. As we move along, this is how the saree goes. Yes, more of the blocks here. And as we come along, here we come upon the blouse of the saree, which is beautiful, pretty, very, very pretty blouse. It's a lovely rust orange color. Beautiful, lovely blocks with semicircular blocks here. So now we can see how all three will look together. So this is the, as you can see on my right hand side, this is the pallu. In the center, you have the blouse, and then the saree itself. So it's a very, very beautiful, very lovely saree, very special, very distinctive. I mean, this is the kind of saree, you wear this saree, you cannot find anybody else in the world wearing something like so special with this saree. Next, we'll move on to this saree. It's beautiful stripes all over. Just open it out. Lovely dark pink stripes. Let's figure out what this saree looks like. I just open it out one by one. I think the pallu is this side. Yes, this is the pallu of the saree. This is a very, very special saree. Again, very minimal, very modern, very edgy. It's got these squiggly stripes, vertical stripes, but not in a straight line, but very organically curvy lines from top to bottom. There is a lovely pinkish red background on which you have a dark gray stripes going from top to bottom. And then as we move along to the body, you have a lovely off-white background, and on the off-white white background, you have lovely pinkish red lines running from top to bottom. And the bottom of the saree has got this, I'll just flip it around so that you can see it. That should be the bottom of the saree. The bottom of the saree has got a lovely cyan blue border, and then you have a lovely floral vine running all along. As you can see, the floral vine is coming, zigzagging its way, twining itself, and then you have the flowers and the leaves on the vine. So it looks very beautiful, and it's contrasted with a very geometric, very modern geometric shape. There's squiggly lines which are running from top to bottom, so it's very creative. So I'll flip it around. Let's see as the saree goes along. The same stripes continue. The border again, the cyan blue border in the bottom, and as we go along, I'll flip over. Yes, finally we come to the grand, beautiful pallu of the saree. I'll just open it out to you. It's really special, really ravishing. The colors, the pallu, as we roll along the stripes, it opens out with this sensational pallu with multiple bands of green and blue. There are two shades of green. There's a darker green, forest green, and there's a lovely leaf green, banana leaf green. Then you have these beautiful, this looks like corn cob kind of motifs, or really a bouquet of flowers, a bunch of flowers, that kind of a motif. Then there is this curvy vines which is there in the border, the same thing which is there in the border. The similar pattern is repeated here in a different color. Two more blocks of colors here, one more vertical floral vines, and multiple color blocks. Very creative, beautifully designed saree. So we've seen the body of the saree, and then this is the pallu. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Yes, this is the blouse of the saree. This is how the blouse looks. So you can imagine how the saree will look together. This is the body of the saree, right? This is the pallu, and then this is the blouse. This is how the whole saree will look together. Again, a very beautifully designed, very creative saree with a lovely combination of traditional and modern elements. One would imagine that with all these stripes and rectangular blocks, it will be a modern saree, but it also combines itself with a lovely floral vines and a bunch of flowers like a Banarsi design. So it's a fabulous, beautiful fusion of modern and tradition. Next, we'll move on to this saree. Wow, it's got a very dark charcoal gray background. And what do we have? What has she painted? Let's see what comes out in this saree. Wow, I can see her. Wow, fabulous. Such a splendid deer, beautifully painted, amazing bunch of flowers on her head. It's obviously a doe, a female deer, and it's got floral patterns all over its body, and it's standing on a patch of grass or a patch of leaves. And overall, the background is this lovely, dark, very dark graphite background. Beautiful background. So it looks really sensational. Beautiful painting. So let's see what the rest of the saree looks like. You've seen the most sensational element first, but it's okay. I'll just move on to the rest of the saree as we move along. Wow, we have these lovely, beautiful polka dots, red, beautiful dark pink polka dots after the pallu. It just starts off around the saree the same. There's no border. It's a borderless saree. In the center, right in the center portion of the saree, you have these lovely large polka dots in dark pink, which keeps moving along the saree, and then you keep going along to the other side of the saree, where I'll just open out the other side of the saree, and yes, finally arrive at the blouse, which is fabulous. Again, there's a lovely contrast play which has happened here. Beautiful contrast play. This is of course the pallu, and this is the blouse, and you of course have seen the body of the saree, which is the black, which is what this is the body of the saree with these polka dots. And then I'm trying to show all three together to you. This is how the deer looks, the body of the saree, the pallu, beautiful deer, and the lovely blouse itself. This is how the whole thing would look. The blouse has got a large band of polka dots in black on the edge, and overall this is how the saree would. Body, pallu, and the blouse. The sensational saree. It's a statement saree, and this is something again which is unmistakable, and the person wearing this will be the news of the party. Next, we'll move on to this beautiful, again a grey, but it's a grey and a lovely shell pink background. It's very floral, very floral sarees. So I just open it out. Let's see how it looks. This is the body of the saree. I'll flip it around because I think this is the top and this is the bottom. Beautiful shell pink bottom with lovely leaf, beautifully painted. Lovely, it's a string of flowers and leaves all along, which is beautifully, lovely scallop formation, beautiful scallop formation, the flowers and the leaves. And then there's a single leaves again in the bottom, different colors. Color variations in pink alone is so beautiful. This is dusky pink. This is a very, I would say, cranberry pink. Then it's a deep purple, cranberry again. The color play is beautiful. There's a olive green here, and then there are greens here. There's a lovely golden yellow here. So it's beautiful, the color play. And of course, the center of the saree is lovely, very dark. I would say maybe it's a slate gray or an elephant gray. And similar to the bottom, you have the dusky pink with the leaf motifs in the top. So this is the body of the saree. Let's see what the pallu looks like. I'll just open it out. Yes, beautiful, lovely, fabulous pallu. It's really nice. And like we saw in the border, we have lovely, beautiful string of leaves and flowers hanging from top to bottom in a vertical formation, and with the dusky pink and the gray background in multiple shades. the skill of the painter has come out so nicely here. Beautiful the way she's done the painting and the way the shapes have been formed. I'm sure it has been penciled in and then painted on top of that. It's really nice, and the combination of colors she's used is really nice. So this is the saree and the pallu. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Beautiful, lovely. The blouse is a lovely pink. So this is how the blouse would contrast with the saree itself. It's a beautiful combination. And if you need to see the pallu, I need to go it like this. This is how the combination will be: the blouse, the pallu, and the saree. Overall, this is how it looks. It's a beautiful, very delicate, and very stunning combination. It's a lovely saree. So this is not the last. What I wanted to do is also, you must have, if you by now, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Please click on the bell icon as well so that you keep getting notified about all our videos and you don't miss them. And I would really urge you to please share our video with as many friends and family as you can, your neighbors, whatever WhatsApp groups you're on. Please share these videos. We really want to spread the beauty and the goodness of lovely Indian handcrafted handloom work that you're doing, and to support our weavers and artisans who work with us. Please share the message. And before I leave, I just wanted to tell you a little bit. You must have seen the background. I've been speaking so long. It's a lovely, again, it's the same artist. It's a lovely, beautiful hand-painted saree. Again, this is the pallu. As you can see, beautiful two ducks in a pond, and the way it's painted, as you can see the water shimmering below, and the heads of the two ducks. And the body of the saree is a lovely lavender lilac combination with a beautiful violet patches here, geometric patches here. And as you go along the saree, the body of the saree is this lovely stripes. As you can see, beautiful stripes, fabulous stripes all along. Lovely multicolor stripes in bougainvillea or violet, yellow, purple. There's a dark purple, there's a rust orange, and there is a yellow. So it's a fabulous combination of colors. So this is the body of the saree, and the blouse is also very special for that combination again. But this pallu, this is the kind of blouse which is used. So it's a fabulous combination. And if you have anything to say to us, any questions to ask, please please write in your thoughts, your questions, comments in the section below. We have a comment section and we would really love to hear from you about our videos. I also wanted to tell you that we have a Tamil YouTube section as well. We have a Tamil YouTube channel. Those of you who are from Tamil Nadu, or those of you who are originated in Tamil Nadu living somewhere abroad, you can tune into our Tamil channel as well. So we put out the similar videos. Almost all the videos which come here will be repeated in Tamil again. So you can tune into Tamil channel and listen in your own mother tongue. And once again, thank you so much for watching. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.